Hey guys, it's Tal again. Today I'm going to react to Benidorm Fest, the national selection of Spain. And okay, so we are starting now with Bésame by Carla Frigo. I like this. Oh, they could also add a little bit of more Spanish instruments, something a little bit like more Oriental, maybe. I like this song. I feel like this is very much my vibe. Also, for some reason, maybe because it's the first on the list, I feel like it's kind of giving me Prüm from the Estonian national selection. I don't know why. I already kind of love it. Okay. It's kind of anticlimactic. Okay. And then here could be the catchphrase again. Okay. This is a good song. Oh, I love this. Also, this should be another one of those. No, you can do it once. When you have like this epic moment, I feel like you always have to do it like in twos. Because it's just, I don't know, it just gives it like a. Otherwise, you just lose the catchiness of it. When they have. But I'm not sure also if she's able to do that in Eurovision. Like, I'm not sure if you can put these type of effects on the voice. But yeah, again. Oh, how rude. Oh, I love this. But it needs more of that. This, I love this effect. Okay, so 8 out of 10. I think it's a good grade to start with. Please don't let me down like all the other songs.